Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Steam service component error. Now, in order to get that fix, just simply right click on the Steam web from wherever you started from. Right click over there and click on this option of open file location. In here, again, right click over there and click on the option of open file location again. Now here, inside this list, you need to go to this folder of bin. Inside the bin, we need to search for the file by pressing by click on this option, search for steam services. Here you can see the steam service. Just simply run this application once. You'll notice a black screen will appear right in front of you and it will disappear. Now it has cleared all the cache data and it has repaired the issue with your steam. Now if you use the steam, you'll notice that your issue will be definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.